Right into this world, all alone.
Payment for the assassin, huh? Mr. Morrow?
Gotta go handle this Mexican shit.
Afraid to ask what that means.
Don't. Me and Jack's got it handled.
What's in the backpack? Honey?
Love you.
Love you.
Come on, be suspicious. Why the hell is there a battle axe?
What happened to Ortiz?
A couple of ATF agents took him out last night. No explanation.
Oh, this is a very clean cell. I wouldn't mind living there. Actually, much cleaner than this shithole. Answer is working his magic.
Clay emptied the safe this morning. Had to be 20 or 30 grand.
Probably club stuff.
Probably a birthday surprise for you, huh?
Destination info. She left about 20 minutes ago. She'll take 99 to the 5. I want it clean, I want it painless. Don't mess up her face.
Understood.
Oh, considerate. Requesting a painless death. Now everything's good.
You handle that Mexican thing?
Not your concern.
Huh?
Where's Jax?
Went up to Oregon with Tara and the kids. Family outing.
And you can't undo this now. This assassination attempt will probably escalate the Mexican thing.
I need for you to stop what we set in motion this morning.
Our man's independent.
Gotta be a way to get hold of him. I mean, you set it up.
Sorry, Clay. It's too late.
He checks in after he's done.
You've been warned.
Let him know that Jax, Teller, and the kids are with the doctor.
So you shut it down?
No. Just tell him to be careful. I'm sure Teller's armed.
Huh? So much for they can't call him back.
Go check me.
I'm gonna head up to his cabin. Check on my old man.
You should stick around. Kozik's still up north and happy over at Oswald. They need bodies.
It's getting complicated, huh, Mr. Morrow?
You missed the Defender?
I missed the power. Beamer's more comfortable. Got a shitty back.
It's time to trade it in for a cage, huh?
When I'm dead.
Amen to that.
All right. Gentlemen, have a good day.
Yeah.
We'll probably see that guy again. You can't just give random characters lines if they not reappear.
You played me. Worse than the outlaws. All that bullshit about my gang experience.
Well, he's a magician. Or did you think his name was a coincidence? Huh? Potter?
I'm done being your boy.
Roosevelt picked up just yesterday. Another piss test. Released him last night, but he hasn't been seen since.
Don't you think there have been one too many piss tests lately? Her again. Oh. Thanks for the distraction, homeless lady. Shoot the tires. These guys had nothing to do with the assassin, right?
You guys okay?
Wait, who was that? They look terribly white for Mexicans.
Folks nearby heard a lot of gunshots. Hope you weren't the one firing the weapon.
No, of course not.
I'm a Hanna-Barbera fan myself. Quick Draw McGraw was always my favorite.
Fuck your favorite.
We give you a cell phone. You check in every 4 hours. You don't check in. I get wind you exposed us. We rip this up, we come crashing in. I settle for the Mexicans and the Suns. Sam Crow and all its charters will fall to Rico. I'll give you until after the Jetsons to decide.
3 broken metacarpals. Median nerve?
Yes. There's damage from the trauma. We should get in there right away.
I guess if the damage is permanent, she would lose her job, huh? Did the handsome Mayan just die? Was that him? Yeah, that is him.
You just walk in, your crew starts shooting at us?
We thought you were the damn cartel.
Do we look like a goddamn cartel? Yo, Mexicans do?
Have you never seen Mayans before, you idiots?
Lobo took out 3 of my men this morning. They were all a little skittish.
You just killed one of my best soldiers.
Don't do it, Leroy.
It's like that?
An eye for an eye, dude.
You both lost a guy, you're even.
No, we ain't. Get out!
Of course you are.
Need your contact info for Lobo Sonora.
You need to get out before this place is crawling with purple. And I kill everything. Brown and white.
You brown yourself. How about you kill yourself? So stupid. All of them were wearing cuts. Did the Mexicans wear cuts? No, I don't think so.
It's awful, this attack on Tara. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. I love the way she says that.
I've been trying to get her to leave for over a year.
Tara belongs here.
You see what that gets her.
Yeah, as soon as she tried to leave, she got hurt.
You know she doesn't belong with your son.
What Jax and Tara do is their business.
Are you kidding me? The way you bully and manipulate her, use those babies as strings?
Shut the fuck up, Margaret.
Or what? You're gonna beat the shit out of me? I'm not afraid of you. You're an awful woman. And all this suffering landing on Tara, it's because of you.
This woman has no idea what the fuck she's talking about. Jax and Tara are actually planning to leave together, so guilt-tripping Gemma is completely pointless.
Your guys crushed her goddamn hand.
That's the fallout.
Jack's on fire.
Here's your refund. We'll take care of the hit personally.
Forget it. She's still a threat. Has to be taken care of.
What? This is none of your business, dude. This has nothing to do with you.
No, it's too risky.
It's more risky letting her undermine this operation. It has to be handled.
She has nothing to do with your operation. Are you kidding me?
Bone set easily. No issue there. The nerve damage was severe.
God. What does that mean?
That means you should start calling her Dr. Strange from now on. Because she's not going to operate anymore.
What's the matter? Change your mind? You looked me in the eye and you promised me you wouldn't hurt Tara.
You're insane. Had nothing to do with what happened to Tara.
You took money out of that safe this morning. Hours later, somebody goes after Tara.
Don't push him too far.
Enough! Maybe Jax needs to know that truth. Stay away from me, you son of a bitch. You stay away from my family.
You gonna kill me, Gemma, like you did the first husband?
You killed John.
Nah. You played me for a chump. Maybe Jax needs to reach some of that truth.
Oh shit. Dude, if Jax finds out about this, you're dead.
Get away from me! Piece of shit! You mother! You! Stay away from me!
Why the fuck is that door locked? What's the plan there now? How the fuck does he want to explain that?
Please get mad at me, Tara. Scream at me or something.
I'll never save another life again. I'll never fix a tiny heart.
Come on.
It's okay.
Can't you take a job like Margaret's? Surely an experienced doctor can jump over to the administration side, right?
Maybe I should smash my other hand. That way I can just stay at home and be a mom, raise your
Tara,
baby.
stop. Don't.
You should leave now. Please just go. Go! Go!
Well, you wanted her to scream. Consider your wish fulfilled.
Heard about Tara.
Not now, bro.
He's getting closer and closer to the Suns.
I want to apologize. I'm getting tossed around by this DA just as much as you are. The way I've conducted myself, I'm sorry.
Well, late for that now.
It's never too late to say sorry. Well, unless your name is Mr. Morrow. Then all hope is lost.
I love you, Hope. You're my best friend.
I need you in this club.
My family needs me more. I'm so sorry, bro.
You just broke Opie's heart, you son of a bitch.
What the hell happened to you?
More important question, what has he done with Gemma?
Gemma!
It's open.
Oh, Wayne, I hope his jealous ass won't do anything stupid. Once he's seen her face.
Oh, jeez. Holy shit, Gemma.
Just tell me what I can do.
There's nothing else to do. It's done, Wayne. Claire can't be saved.
I'll point Piney's murder at him. We'll put him away.
No, he's gonna die by the hand of the sun.
Well, I think that's very easy to arrange at this point. In fact, nothing has ever been easier.